Perfecting your English pronunciation. Make every day your classroom. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic: incorporating pronunciation practice into daily activities. This is going to be an interactive session, filled with helpful tips and tricks to take your English pronunciation to the next level. So, let's make every minute count. The journey to perfecting English pronunciation isn't something you can complete in a day. It's a process, and like every process, it requires time and, most importantly, consistent practice. It's important to make a conscious effort to improve your pronunciation every day, not just during your study hours. And that's exactly what we're focusing on today: making daily activities an opportunity for pronunciation practice. Let's start with a simple technique. You might already be reading in English. That's great. But let's take it a step further. Every time you read, try to read out loud. Don't just read in your mind. This way, you can hear the words, how they are pronounced, and practice them yourself. This technique can be applied not just to your English books, but also to anything you read, such as news articles, social media posts, and even signboards. Practicing pronunciation isn't just about reading, it's also about speaking. Start engaging in daily conversations in English. Order your coffee in English, chat with your friends in English, talk to yourself in English. It might feel odd in the beginning, but with time, it gets easier and you'll notice an improvement in your pronunciation. Listening is another crucial aspect of improving pronunciation. Listen to English music, watch English movies, and try to repeat the dialogues or lyrics. It helps to internalize the rhythm, stress, and intonation of English speech. This technique is fun and can easily be incorporated into your leisure time. Lastly, let's not forget the tools we have in this digital age. Use apps on your smartphone that help improve pronunciation. Most smartphones also have a voice assistant. Try speaking to it in English and see how well it understands you. It's a fun and interactive way to practice pronunciation. That's it for today's video, folks. Remember, the key to improving pronunciation is consistent practice, and there are countless opportunities in your day-to-day life to practice. Make the most of these opportunities and you'll see an improvement sooner than you think. Hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you in our next session. Keep practicing and happy learning.